Do you really think your crypto's safe in just any wallet? You'll want to see how this one takes security up a notch. And just a reminder everyone, before investing in or using any cryptocurrency or financial products we discuss on this channel, always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice. In today's video, we're talking about none other than the Phantom wallet. So it's essentially a wallet that's mainly for Solana, but it also offers full support for the Ethereum blockchain as well. Now, I can personally vouch for this and say it's actually my favorite wallet to use for Solana and one of my top picks for Ethereum too, simply because it's so easy to use, extremely secure, and the user interface is just so straightforward. It really lets you keep everything in one place for hassle-free crypto management. The thing about the simplicity is that you're not actually giving up any security for that ease of use, whereas with a lot of other wallets, non-custodial wallets in particular, you often do end up sacrificing some safety. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Use utranker.net to start getting your YouTube videos right at the top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to open an incognito window here on Google Chrome to make sure there's no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is set to English and the location is set to the United States. Once the United States has been selected, we'll go into the search engine and do our first search by typing in Botsel. As we can see, right there at the top, this video here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker managed to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go ahead and type in another one. Lead Sniper, and have a look. And bang, once again, top digital products. This video here, and again, BizCheck, Botsol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So, what are you waiting for? Get utranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos right at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. The Phantom non-custodial wallet uses private key management, alright? So it's non-custodial and is able to keep your keys secure. You're essentially responsible for keeping your funds safe. When you go ahead and create a Phantom wallet, you'll basically need to write down your private words, just like you might have done before with a MetaMask wallet. It's the same thing, but actually quite a bit simpler and easier in my opinion. I'd recommend you write that down on some paper. Keep that safe, make several copies, and never show it to anyone or enter it on any website. Also, perhaps one of my favorite features about Phantom is its no built-in anti-phishing technology, which means that when you're browsing dApps using the Phantom wallet, it can try to protect you from phishing attacks, alright? So, from other things like exploits or scam projects. Now folks, do remember, if you want to go ahead and download the Phantom wallet, it's free. The link to get set up will be in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments. So folks, what are you waiting for? Start taking your crypto security seriously. Head over to Phantom. You can use their security features, use their non-custodial word. It's absolutely brilliant. Again, I can vouch for it. I love it. I've been using it for a long time. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more brilliant crypto content from us. Take care.